Pom chrysanthemum knot. This video shows you how to make pom chrysanthemum knot using Kake-musubi knot. You haven't watched the Kake-musubi knot? I recommend you to start with the Kake-musubi first. What you need is, as usual, Mizuhiki cord. This is the full length one. And then they got punching needle and scissors. This one we are going to make it. Using Kake-musubi. And when it's finished, if you put the pearl in the middle, it's gonna be like that. And then you can use a hook, ear wire for earrings, or something like this. 3 motifs to make a necklace. First, as usual, we make the Mizuhiki cord soft or softer or more flexible. Leave the edge straight, both ends straight, so that it works like a needle. Like Kake-musubi, make an upside down teardrop shape first, this way. Make a small one, this way, and hold here intersection with your left hand. So the first knot we make it on the left hand side of the cord. Then using your right fingers and tip goes into the loop you have just made from the front, and come back from the one you just made. Like that. So the Kake-musubi one, it keeps going that knot from the left to the right, whatever numbers you need, usually 5 or 6 or 7 to make a flower shape. This one, you make it very small, and 1, 2, and do it again. So instead of the edge goes into the second one, we start again from the beginning. We make upside down loop, hold it with the left fingers, and then put the longer edge into the loop you have just made, and coming back from behind. So 1, 2, 1, 2. The motion is just repeating these 1, 2 again. So make the cords more flexible as you go. upside down loop, hold it, and coming back. One, two, three. Again, upside down, go into the loop you have just made from the front, then coming back the big loop you have just made. So now 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, so 4 sets, about the same size. One more time, upside down loop, then go into the loop you have just made and coming back. From the big one you have just made. So number 5. So this is the first petals, and as you can see from this goes like that. So gradually the petal size is getting larger. So from 5 or 6 you can just gradually make it bigger. Upside down again, just a little bit bigger, and do the same motion. Again, upside down, upside down loop, then go into the loop you have just made and coming back from the big loop you just made. As you can see that this is the beginning, the left hand side edge, and you keep knotting just around this axis. Upside down loop, then goes in here, coming back from the loop, big loop, 1 2 3 4, one more big one, maybe bigger one, I mean. Upside down loop and coming back from behind. So I have just done 10. Usually I can make 14. See how it goes with this one. Again, this time a little bit larger. Upside down loop goes in. Just this one I can do only 13, I think. The last one, upside down loop, and just make it softer. and put it into the loop and coming back from behind. Yeah. Okay. All right. So as you can see, it went around this axis like that. And how to finish this one is very easy. You need two laundry bags and make the shape looks okay. Hold it, and then glue. Put glue on around here so that this cord and that cord stays together. Glue here. Then leave it until it dries. Okay, it is dried. So cut the excess. Make the shape look okay. The easiest way to finish is probably using this hoop, earring hoop. So that just do like this. So when you wear, it's hard to see from this angle, like that. Or if you want to go for a little bit fancier, you can use something like these windings and finish with the jump ring here. And I put the bead, pearl bead. This one is a semi-sphere one. Using the craft glue, just glued it. Or finishing as a pendant. Same as earrings, hoop earrings. Using the jump ring and make a pendant. All three together. Okay. Kake-musubi pom pom chrysanthemum.